Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo on PlayStation 5. First, you'll need to acquire the game, either digitally from the PlayStation Store or as a physical disc. Make sure your console has at least 90 gigabytes of free storage for the installation. An internet connection is essential for downloading updates and accessing online multiplayer. Finally, link your PlayStation account to a battle. Net account to save your progress across platforms. Once the game is installed, you'll begin by creating your character. There are 5 distinct classes available, such as the Barbarian, Sorceress, or Rogue, each offering a unique playstyle. Take your time to customize their appearance and understand their core mechanics. Your initial choices will shape your early game experience, but you can always respec your skills later on. Consider which class best suits your preferred combat style. Diablo's core gameplay involves exploring vast, interconnected regions, completing quests, and engaging in intense combat. You'll constantly be on the lookout for powerful loot drops, which include new weapons, armor, and accessories. Regularly visit town to sell unwanted items, upgrade your equipment, and learn new skills. Don't forget to explore every corner of the map. Hidden treasures and challenging encounters await. Diablo offers robust multiplayer options, allowing you to team up with up to 3 friends to conquer the forces of evil together. You can also test your skills against other players in specific player versus player areas. Once you complete the main story, a wealth of end-game content opens up, including challenging nightmare dungeons and Helltide events. Seasonal content provides fresh objectives and unique rewards to keep the experience exciting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.